Hi, welcome. Today I want to share my secret recipe to popovers. I bake these on regular flat tray and I use flour, milk, eggs, butter, and salt. Bring to boil 1 cup of milk and 20 grams of butter. Add half of a teaspoon of salt and stir it occasionally until milk starts to boil. Turn off the heat and add 1 cup of flour. Keep mixing until you reach very smooth paste. Add 3 eggs to a separate bowl and start mixing with the mixture until they get very foamy. Start adding 1 spoon at a time and mixing it. Try to get rid of all the lumps to reach very smooth texture. Transfer the dough to a piping bag. And pipe about 8 circles on silicone mat or parchment paper. Bake at 425 degrees for 20 minutes and then reduce the heat to 350 and bake another 10 minutes. When you take them out, make a little hole with a knife or a toothpick to release any steam. That will help the popovers to hold the shape. And this is how beautiful they are inside. They're very light, they're empty inside, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.